Hi, this is Goggett. This is the third and final part to my Aloha Pepper Meatball Sub My Way video. And they're ready to be plated up. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. And show you what we got. Move this in a little closer here. What I've got is, like I said, I melted the cheese on the Aloha peppers, and they're cooked just a little bit so that they're not hard, but they're pliable. And what I'm going to do, and what I did, is I drizzled them with olive oil, put some salt and pepper on them, put the cheese, and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And over here I have my meatballs in the marinara sauce, which these are already cooked and everything. I'm going to show you how to plate this up. All what you do, very simple. All that you do is take your marinara sauce and meatballs and just put them on the inside of the Aloha pepper. And then what this does is the top you put on top. Very simple, very good. Easy to make, and they are delicious, let me tell you. And you have kind of like a meatball sandwich here. Might have got too many. Trying to show you what I mean here. Oh, then it's still hot. Well, that one sit there. Oh, I forgot. Silly me, I forgot to do something here first. And then it's hot. To kick it up my way, add some parsley to it, some basil leaves to the top, a little bit of oregano leaves to the top, and some Parmesan cheese. I almost forgot to put this on there. This is, like I said, a step you don't need. If you don't want to add all this stuff, then that's fine. And then you put the top on it. There we go. Now we got it going. And this is the finished product and how it looks. And then you can either pick these up and take a bite of it, or you can eat it with a fork, however you like. But it's just really good stuff. I mean, if you never tried this, then you really need to give it a try, because it's really good. And I hope you give this a try, because, like I say, it's real simple to make, and it's hang on, I got something going on here. What's this? Hey, you. Who are you? Who are you, and what are you doing here? I know you're not a toy. Hey, you've been hanging around with that Socko. I know you don't belong here. Hey, I know you. I know who you are. You're Forky. You're Forky from Toy Story 4. How you got here, I don't know, but I'm glad you're here. Man, it's a pleasure to have you here, Forky. I'll tell you what. It just, wow. Tell you what, you don't want to hang around with that Buzz Lightyear and that Woody and Bo Peep and all them. Do you? No, I didn't think so. I'll tell you what. How about staying here with Scoggett? And whenever I cook, you can be with Scoggett whenever I cook. Sounds good? Oh, that sounds like a deal to me. No, I don't know about the Lone Star. I don't know. You might be a little underage there. No, can't go that route. At least not right now. But I tell you what, you can stay here and help old Scoggett. Wow. I tell you what. You never, at Scoggett's house, you never know who's going to show up. I mean, Forky from Toy Story, wow. Man, I tell you what. I'm going to have to drink me 2 Lone Stars. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Shout out to Mick Cotton Barbecue, Mike Dobbs, Big Reggie, Alan R., Wick Brews, and Mike Montoya Barbecue, and that's all I can remember right now off the top of my head. But appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and I'm going to get to eating, and y'all take care.